now that you decided to come to IT world with a career, or maybe to find a job, and you have to start learning, right? So the first thing you have to do is at least one computer programming language you have to learn. So I will show you a language, something called Java, which is a very famous language. So I will show you how you can start practicing that computer programming language called Java. So the first thing you have to do, so let's write down some steps that what we have to do first from beginning. So the first thing we have to do is, let me open a new one. So we have to download Java in our computer. Okay, and then the second thing you have to do is install it. Okay, and then you have to see test that Java is installed properly. Okay, so these three things, let's start from today. Okay. Sometime when we have a computer, we can already have Java in our computer, so we can test it first, that if it's already available or not. So for that reason, you open a special program, it's called command prompt. Okay, all you have to do is go to search and then type cmd and then click this. It will open this special program in your computer, especially in Windows machine. Okay, and then here you do this, you just type something called Java, that's it. And if you type Java and you see there is a message saying not recognized, then Java is not installed in your machine. So in this case, you should go and install it. And installation is very straightforward. It's open source, free software. So all you have to do, go to Google and then type something called Java download. Just search for this. Okay, and after that, you can go to this website called Oracle, because they are the owner right now of this software. So just click Java download, and it will bring you to this page. And here you will see multiple version of JDK available in this IT market now. But I recommend you actually take a little bit older, because the latest can create some problem sometime for you. So just go to JDK 17, and then based on your computer, you just download it. So there are multiple version, right? So you see Mac OS, Windows, right? So Linux. So we will go for Windows, and then I think we can check this one, x64. So in this current world, most of the computers are x64. Okay, so you can just click this download button to download it. Okay, so it will actually take some time, and you see here it's getting downloaded. And after download, if it's a Windows 11 machine, all you have to do is now just run the installer. That's it, everything will be set up. So you just can go to that folder where it's got downloaded. So I know it's got downloaded here in my download folder. You just double click it, and then all you have to do is just say yes. And I think in one point of time, you will just go and say next, next, next. So let's that installation window pop up. Okay, here you go, you just click next, next, and at this point it will take some time because it's a file in internet. So it will definitely take some time, not too much, and then you will see Java is installed. So that's it. Next video, I will show you how you actually test that Java is installed, and going forward, how do we start the practicing. Okay, so if everything is done, again go back to your command prompt just to test at least that it installed. You just type something called Java now, and you will see some message. It's not like it will tell you that okay, not recognized. You see this now, you have lots of message. Okay, thank you. Let's see the next video.